Hi everyone, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. This is my first layout with the gorgeous August kits. And yeah, as you can see, I have done some pre-looking, searching into the tons of exclusive stuff this month. There are pretty papers and pretty die cuts and stickers and all kinds of awesome stuff. And there are also tons of boys related things, and I'm scrapping a picture from my little one in the age of 2.5 or 3. I'm not pretty sure right now. And he is listening to music over his I don't know, I've totally forgot the name right now. I'm sorry, I forgot the name. So and they are also now I lost everything. So let's talk about my background. I grabbed the stencil from the July kits. And the inks we got this month in the color kit, they are from Primer from the color Philosophy, and I'm using soft lilac and hydrangea petals and a blending brush, and I'm just bringing some of the color to my background paper. And I wanted to use some blues and pinks and light purples and a touch of mint. And I am totally in love with the colors. Even my boy is having on something in red, but I don't know, I really like how the colors are looking together, and yeah, I'm just going for it. So now I wanted to add some more dots, and I lost the direction from the stencil, so I just needed to have a second look. And now I'm just bringing in some more of the soft lilac, and it's a very light and pretty color, and I really like the dots. And I also blended them together in the middle. And now I will bring in some of the same ink as splatters. I'm just stamping onto acrylic block, adding a touch of water and splattering that over my background paper. And then I will work on my cluster and my layout. I have also some tissue paper stars on my desk from a previous project, and I thought I could go with stars as well, and so I will mix music related stuff, some flowers and some stars, and I really love how this is coming together. You can see on the left side there's a pair of hands, and we got an exclusive stamp set with one hand, and I just stamped it on the back from the pattern paper, flipped it over, and just traced around it, so I have a left and a right hand. But in the end I will not use them. I really love them, but I couldn't find the perfect spot, and so I will just maybe I can use them on a previous or on the next project. So bringing in some dark blue thread for some more texture and interest, and now I'm starting to glue the pieces to my picture. And I really love the word tunes. It's a perfect shape, the perfect font for that lower left corner on the picture. And yeah, then I'm bringing in a skull, listening to music, and headphones. Oh, I found the word. These are headphones. Yay! And a second pair of headphones, and I really love them. Just bringing in some foam tape for some dimension, and some more blue thread underneath that skull. And yeah, these hands, I've tried so many spots and so many places, but it was not working. The flowers I'm using right now and the leaves, they are fussy cut from one of the gorgeous exclusive papers, and I'm just going with purples and some of the soft pinkish tones. And I really, yeah, I just love to mix these kind of themes together, and I just love it. So now to this set of awesome chipboard stickers. I'm grabbing all of the stars, not all of them, but the color matching ones. And then I found this cool sticker said coolest kit ever, but the word ever was in green, and I don't have anything in green on that page, so I just stuck it underneath my picture, and the word or the part with the green is covered now, and I really love how this is looking right over the picture. And I'm trying these hands again, and nope, it's not working. It's not working. Then I wanted to use these gorgeous exclusive alphas, and I wanted to bring in the word fun, but I don't like the first letters are running out of my cluster, so I will not use them on that place. I will just grab the L for his first letter, and I will place that on top of the tissue paper star and the blue thread. Then I will grab my ruler for some journaling lines, and then I had a look into my animal dots from previous kits, and now I'm bringing in 5 different colors, and all of the colors I have on my layout. There's that mint color, a light blue color, a purple, a pink, and a blue. And I really love how this is looking. I love to finish my pages with animal dots, and yeah, I'm just happy. So, and that's it. You will get a close-up and some final pictures at the end. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. And I wish you all a great day. And yeah, that's it for today, I believe. I will add my journaling off camera, yeah. So the last animal dots, and then I am done. Yeah. And the new term started today. I totally forgot about that, and I made it. And I am on that team for 4 years now. I started in 2016, and I still love it. And I'm so thankful and grateful and happy. And yeah. So, but now I will leave you, and I'm just gluing down the last animal dots, and that's it. And thank you for watching and liking and commenting and everything else, and talk to you soon, and bye.